Wondering how to get booked with better clients? By the end of this video, you'll know how to market your small business like a luxury brand and attract customers who pay lots of money to work with you. Want more awesome branding and business advice specifically for creative female entrepreneurs? Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be notified when I post a new video every Thursday. I'm Moriah, the owner and creative director of Moriah Riona Branding, where I help women build exclusive luxury brands that make them more money. But today I am sharing my secrets with you with these 3 must-know tips. Number 1, create a social media marketing strategy for your luxury brand. To start attracting clients who are willing to pay more for your services, you need to make sure that every aspect of your brand feels luxurious. And that includes your social media presence. So take stock of your current social media feeds and ask yourself the following questions. Are your social media images and graphics consistent and on brand? Luxury brands are always on brand. And if you want to build a high-end business, you need to make sure that your social media posts are on brand as well. The first step is to always be consistent with your images and your graphics. Make sure you're including your logo, brand colors, and brand fonts throughout your social feeds. This type of visual consistency helps to build trust and brand recognition with your audience and takes you from stranger on the internet to brand your audience knows, trusts, and is willing to spend big bucks on. Do you have a high-level strategy behind your posts? Or are you posting randomly and inconsistently? To start with, it's important to ask yourself why your brand is even on a particular platform. In my online course, Brilliant Social Brand, I encourage my students to choose only 1 to 2 platforms to begin with. That way they can grow a loyal and engaged audience on a single platform before branching out. It also ensures that they're able to build a strategy for that particular platform, posting high-value content that accomplishes their goals instead of just posting to post. You can actually learn more about my experience with this in this video, how creating a social media marketing strategy totally transformed my business. Number 2, luxury brands have high-end website design. Now, it makes sense that if you're trying to sell a high-end luxury service or product, you'd need to present it in a high-end luxury manner, right? So ask yourself, does your website, aka your brand's home on the internet, feel luxurious? If not, it's probably time to uplevel your online presence, and that means hiring a designer. When you're trying to build a luxury brand, basic templates simply won't cut it. You absolutely need something custom that speaks directly to your ideal client. That's exactly what I created for my client, Erin, a newborn photographer who was tired of only attracting budget-conscious customers. I took her branding and website from basic and boring to one-of-a-kind and sophisticated. And it worked. After her rebrand, she told me, my business has gotten so freaking busy, and I haven't had one person tell me I was too expensive. Having a high-end website communicates your value to your audience, usually long before you ever meet them. As one of the first points of contact for a potential customer, the importance of a well-designed site cannot be overstated. So let's try a little exercise. Explore the websites of some of your favorite luxury brands and make a list of the elements that feel high-end to you. Then compare that list to your current website to see where your site is falling short. Comment below, what is your favorite luxury website that has a really high-end vibe? I would love to check it out. Number 3, invest in luxury printed marketing collateral. Just like you want to create a luxury vibe for your brand online, you also need to make sure that your offline marketing feels luxurious as well. In reality, every aspect of your business marketing needs to feel high-end. This helps create a higher perceived value for your brand, which allows you to charge premium prices for your products or services. You need to invest in your marketing like you expect your customers to invest in you. That means saying no to the cheap option when it comes to your printed materials, as well as the rest of your branding and marketing. And you definitely need to pass on those crazy Vistaprint deals when they're offering hundreds of business cards for only a few dollars. Instead, you should be investing in high quality business cards and printed materials with luxuriously thick paper and high-end features like foil or spot gloss. These somewhat subtle details can make a huge difference in attracting higher paying clients. You're priming them from the very beginning to expect a luxury experience, which of course comes with a luxury price tag. Now you know how to start attracting higher paying clients. So if you're ready to transform your own brand, grab my free brand blueprint, a 20-page workbook to help you create an epic brand. Grab your copy in the link below. Want to know more about building a luxury brand? Be sure to check out those videos that just popped up. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up below and subscribe.